How to buy DECZEC. So this is the name of the token. Now this token is on pre-sale. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you want on my channel, please do your own research. So to be able to buy this token, click on the official website from the DECZEC account. And as you can see, you'll be able to redirect to this page. As you can see, click on join pre-sale or click on get DECZEC. So click on it. So after that, what you need to do, as you can see, now connect your wallet. Select your wallet from here. For example, I will select the Bitget wallet. Click on connect. So after you connect your wallet, as you can see, so here you have to you need to have some Ethereum on your wallet first to be able to buy this token. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you'll be able to see how much you receive the token, as you can see. So click on swap, as you can see. So because I don't have any Ethereum on my wallet, I can be able to click on swap. So if you click on swap, you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the DECZEC token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.